Alright, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to be cutting up a FX Panthera airgun case. So this is a brand new case. You can order these separately from the airgun actually, and they're pretty cheap. They're about $70 to $100, but that's a lot cheaper than some of the other options out there like the Pelican Vault cases and things like that. And it's already kind of pre-cut for an airgun, so you know it's generally that shape. So what I'm going to be using this for is my DRS Pro. I'm going to cut this out to be able to accept that because the case that the DRS Pro comes in is a lot shorter. So every time that I'm at the range and I have my moderator or my muzzle brake on there, I have to take those off every time I go to put it in because it's too short. So the Panthera case is long enough where I can leave those on when I go to box it up between stages at the range that I shoot at. So that is going to save me a ton of time because it's really annoying to have to take those on and off every time between each stage that I'm competing at. So having the case that can just take it right away would be super nice, and I don't have to worry about that out there. And this is a terribly easy thing to do. All you need is a Sharpie and a razor blade, and you kind of just cut around it. It's really not that difficult. And in my case, I only really have to cut like 3 or 4 areas. It's mainly where the vertical grip is, the plenum, like magazine style shape, and then the rear butt pad. And that's pretty much it. I will have to cut for the my trigger cam that's on my optic because it obviously sticks out a little bit more than a factory optic would. But other than that, everything fits in there really nicely, and so I'm really stoked to be able to use this as that new case. And then the stock case that the DRS came in, I'm actually going to cut up for my Umarex Zealous. That case isn't going to go to waste either. The Umarex is a bullpup, so it's a lot shorter, so it fits in that case great. So I just need to cut just a little bit out of that case as well, and then I will have a case for that rifle and a new case for the DRS Pro, and everything's going to work out great. So like I said, this is a really awesome case. It doesn't cost very much. I think it is probably the nicest case that FX has used for their air guns. The other cases are fine, but I think that the plastic and just the quality of this one is much nicer, so that is why I like this case a lot. So other than that, I have been pressing a ton of different weights of slugs and shapes. I just started pressing a bunch of boat tail slugs, and so that will be the next couple videos that I get to work on once I go out and start testing these. So I'm really looking forward to that. I was going to go out today, but it's just so windy. There's like gusts of 20 miles an hour outside. It's ridiculous. So I can't go shoot, you know, tight groups in this kind of weather. So even at 50 yards, the way that my range is set up, it's gonna be a nightmare. So I'm gonna have to hold off on that a little bit. I know a lot of people have been wanting me to do that and post it up, but you know, I want to make sure I can do it on a day where it's not gonna, you know, be totally disgusting outside and affect the results at all. So that is what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for sticking around. Have a good day. Bye.